Alright, today we're gonna get a different case. This is a Sky One LITE. If you guys can see, it has glass in the front, and this open it up. If you guys can see that. Now this one comes with 1, 2, and 3 fans. All right, it's missing one up here, but we'll let it slide. Anyways, I wanted to get you guys the chamber inside. You guys can see plenty of space for if you want to put maybe a radiator here for your water cooling system. You got plenty of space for large or small motherboards. Plenty of spaces to pass the cables through. Now there's still another chamber behind it. I'm going to take a look at it, but I just want to show you the inside of it. It's not bad. Now this is going to be covered. Normally they have them open or something opening, but all the opens are located on the top of it, right? This is for your power, right? Now you do have chambers for all your PCI cards, your motherboard, and so forth. Everything lines up very well. We're going to put this together today and see how it looks, but let me let you guys know about the buttons. Now the buttons, you got your power here, you got your reset, LED lights, your digital connection for your audio, your headphones 3.5, you got 3.0, 3.0, and then your type C, which is a 3.0 poly 2 also. So we're going to connect these together, and I'm going to show you the front of it because it does have LED light in the front. It goes one strip all the way to the top, if you guys can see that, all the way to the top, and that's how you control the LED light. On the side of it, it's nothing fancy. It's all basic. I'm going to show you. To open it up, all you got to do is unscrew these, the bottom and the top. Open it. Now here you're gonna find your actual connections, and also there's a little box that came with all the accessories in here, right? You got all the motherboard connections in here. Your type C, your type 3.0, your motherboard audio, your power, and so forth. So we're gonna set this up right now and see how well it works, because we got to get this going. And of course you got access to put a large hard drive here, a SATA drive here, 2 more up here, and these are removable. All right, 2 here, then 1 in the chambers. You could send all the cables through the chambers, and then plenty of ventilations, plenty of connections to pass to the CPU connections, power adapter, and so forth. So let's put this guy together and see how it works.